Hello, my name's Melissa Shank on behalf of Expert Village. Today we're talking about Facebook and how to use it. Now, in this clip, let's discuss the applications feature. There are so many, so first, let's go through each of them and see what Facebook has to offer. Back now on the profile page, you'll notice the applications to the left-hand side. We've got some applications posted here, like photos, groups, and events. To the right-hand side of that, click Edit. We'll edit our applications. Now you can see here, these are all of the applications that I have on my profile. You can see events, groups, you can even get your horoscope. Now let's say I wanted to edit those settings. You'll see that in the middle of the screen. You can edit any of those. You can also get a description about them. That to the right-hand side, or remove these applications. Let's say I want to browse for more. You got it, click that at the top of the screen. When we're browsing, you can see pages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next. There are quite a few pages to browse from. You can get everything from videos to movie information to you name it, it is on there. And so as you're browsing through these different various applications, you'll see it is limitless and endless, and you can add as many applications as you want. Now that you've had an overview of some of the applications within Facebook, let's take a look at each one of them individually. In particular, in the next upcoming clip, let's discuss photographs and also slideshows.